Hello everyone, and today na po tayo bagong isolve ron about electrostatic. So ato ang solve is electric intensity field and flux. So muna ditong question no. Consider a point charge 40 microcoulomb located at the origin of a coordinate system. Calculate the electric field intensity at a point P located 0.5 meters away from the charge. Determine the electric flux through a spherical surface of radius 0.5 meters centered at the charge. So now, pinakaon na ato ang buhaton nato sa isulat ang iyang given. Given, we have charge of 40 microcoulomb and our radius is 0.5 meters and our epsilon 0 is 8.845 times 10 to the negative 12. So, using the formula of electric field is equals to 1 over 4 pi times epsilon 0 times our charge over radius squared. So, using the given, ato lang i-substitute diri sa to ang formula no. 1, 4 times pi. Our epsilon 0 is 8.845 times 10 to the negative 12 times our charge is 40 microcoulomb. That is 40 times 10 to the negative 6 coulomb over our radius is 0.5 squared meter. So, we now solve this. First, ato sana i-solve ang kaning 4 pi kaning iyang denominator para dili na ta maglisod unya. So, 4 pi times 8.845 times 10 to the negative 12 is 1.11 times 10 to the negative 10. So, copy lang ani 40 times 10 to the negative 6 coulomb over 0.5 squared meter. Then we now add times both numerator and both denominator. So 1 times 40 times 10 to the negative 6 is we have 40 times 10 to the negative 6. And the denominator, 1.11 times 10 to the negative 10 times 0.5 squared is we have 1 times 10 to the negative 11. So, dili pa na siya mauno, ato apa nang at para makakuha na to ni siya, ato ni siyang i-times sa iyang conjugate, which is 1 times 10 to the negative 11. So, 1 times 10 to the negative 11. So, cancel. Natay nabili na 40 times 10 to the negative 6 times automatic 1 ang mabili niya. To the negative 11 is equals to, so ato na po ning i-times at sa kapisa nato. To the negative 6 times 1 divide 1 times 10 to the negative 11 is natay 1 times 10 to the 11. Positive na siya. So we now have 4 times 10 to the 6 Newton per coulomb. Pero dili pa rin siya mao ang answer. Ang answer niya yun is, so the electric field intensity at point P is 4 times 10 to the 6 Newton per coulomb unit vector. So, mao na siya. So, mao na to ang answer sa electric field intensity. So, determine the electric flux. So, ato na pong solve si electric flux. Electric flux. So, using the formula, VE is equals to this one. That is just equal to enclosed charge over epsilon 0. So, note that enclosed charge is just equal to charge. So, using the formula, charge over epsilon 0. Ato alang i-substitute. Our charge is just 40 microcoulomb. So 40 times 10 to the negative 6 over our epsilon 0 is 8.845 times 10 to the negative 12. So sorry for my mistake, no? So that is 8.854. So 8.854 na siya and this, pero sakto na gyud na siya ang pagka solve niya. Namali lang ko og salat. So sorry for that. So mao ni siya. So we now continue this ato ni solve si 40 times 10 to the negative 6 ato sana i-copy 8.854 times 10 to the negative 12. Ato na siya i-times sa iyang conjugate. So 8.854 times 10 to the negative 12 over 8.854 times 10 to the negative 12. We now have cancel. So, ito. Natin nabili na 40 equals 40 times 10 to the negative 6 times automatic 1 over 8.854 times 10 to the negative 12. So, equals copy sa 40 times 10 to the negative 6. So, ato siya i-divide si 1 over 8.854 times 10 to the negative 12. We have a 1.129 times 10 to the 11. That is equals to 4.52 times 10 to the 6 Newton per meter squared per coulomb. So, this is our answer sa electric flux. And that is all. Thank you for watching.